Hello class 5, welcome to online science classes of HPS. In the school we have completed chapter 14 from eating to digestion. Now we are going to start chapter number 20, prosperity from agriculture. Videos will be given to you and of the chapter's explanation and question answers will be provided to you with the PDF files. Okay, come to page number 160. The agriculture in implements और equipments which are used for farming. See, बहुत सारी चीज़ें औजारें यूज़ की जाती है for farming purpose. यहाँ पे pictures में दिया है. See, this is a tractor. This is one type of टोकरी in which all the items are collected. This is a bullock cart जिससे सीड्स को सो किया जाता है. So बहुत सारे अलग अलग एग्रीकल्चर इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं जो यूज़ किए जाते हैं फार्मिंग के लिए. And how they are made? Some of these implements are made in the village by the carpenters. Carpenters और iron smiths से बनाए जाते हैं ये सारी equipments. अब एक example दिया है यहाँ पे. Malku has plowed his fields and sowed seeds with the help of tractor. At some places, animals are used to perform many agricultural operations. Nowadays, machines have taken place of men and animal labor. है ना, बहुत सारी अलग अलग मशीनरीज आ गई है. पहले क्या यूज़ किया जाता है? एनिमल्स को यूज़ किया जाता था, जैसे बुलक्स को यूज़ किया जाता था, काउस को यूज़ किया जाता था, कैमल्स को यूज़ किया जाता था, डोंकीज़ को यूज़ किया जाता था फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोसेसेस. बट नाउअडेज बहुत सारी अलग अलग टाइप्स की मशीनरीज आ गई है और ट्रैक्टर्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं. ओके, देन कम टू पेज नंबर 161. See the paragraph, fertilizers and pesticides. Fertilizers and pesticides are used to get good harvest. Formerly, people reared animals and heaped their dungs at one place and used it as manure in the fields. Nowadays, we use fertilizers such as urea, DAP, etc. to get good harvest. Fertilizers और pesticides किस लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं? वो सॉइल में मिक्स करके एक आउटपुट जो होता है वो प्रॉपर अच्छा आना चाहिए, गुड हार्वेस्टिंग आना चाहिए, इसीलिए फर्टिलाइजर्स और पेस्टिसाइड्स का यूज़ किया जाता है. प्रिकॉशंस हैव टू बी टेकन व्हाइल यूजिंग फर्टिलाइजर्स. एक्सेसिव यूज़ ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स may cause skin disease, stomach upset, headache, sickness, etc. Insensible use of fertilizer destroys the fertility of the soil, so we should use organic fertilizers or dung fertilizers as far as possible. The fertilizers which we are going to use for the soil should be used wisely. They should not be used in excess, okay, because it can destroy the fertility of the soil. उसकी quality लो हो सकती है soil की अगर extra excess हम fertilizers use करेंगे तो. Okay, then come to page number 162. Less production in the field. See this paragraph. No, first the paragraph, storing of grains. After harvesting, the main challenge for a farmer is storage. Bags of harvested crops are taken from the fields to warehouses. It may be a room of a house or a cold store. There should be no humidity at the place where crops such as gram, moong are stored. The storage place should be free from insects. Then, when after harvesting, what is done? Storage is done. It is done in storehouses or warehouses. It is a room of a house or a cold store and there should be no humidity. बहुत क्लीन प्रॉपर सेफ होना चाहिए वहाँ पे. प्रॉपर सनलाइट भी आनी चाहिए, गीला नहीं होना चाहिए, वेट नहीं होना चाहिए वहाँ पे, क्योंकि उससे क्या हो सकता है, क्रॉप्स को नुकसान हो सकता है. एंड दिट प्लेस शुड ऑल्सो बी फ्री फ्रॉम इंसेक्ट्स. वहाँ पे कोई इंसेक्ट्स, चूहे, बिल्ली, ये सारी एनिमल्स नहीं होने चाहिए. देन द लेस प्रोडक्शन इन द फील्ड्स. इफ द रेन्स कम आउट एट प्रॉपर टाइम, द yield in the field is good. Crops are spoiled due to heavy rains, untimely rains, scarce rainfall or no rainfall. This affects the income of the farmer. In some cases, some sudden disease in the crops also spoils them. Sometimes the yield is not even enough for fulfilling the requirement of the farmer's farm family. So, अगर रेन्स प्रॉपर टाइम पे नहीं आते हैं तो क्या होता है, फार्मर्स को नुकसान पहुंचता है, फार्मर की इनकम रिड्यूस हो सकती है, कुछ डिसीज़ अगर क्रॉप्स को हो जाती है और फिर yield अगर कम हो जाएगा, that time also farmer has to suffer with income sources. See then, cattle rearing. Man had started cattle rearing to fulfill his needs. Mankind does ploughing and other activities connected with farming. Cattle fairs are arranged and purchase of the animals. Festivals are organized at the time of harvest. We see many types of festivals which are arranged, such as Onam, Pongal. Isn't it? These are the festivals which are used, which are celebrated in different states of India for the harvest as the harvest festivals. Okay, then in cattle rearing, a good and clean habitat is needed for the animals. Nutritious fodder and medical checkup is also essential. Just as when we fall ill, our illness badly affects our working efficiency, in the same way animals also fall ill and the illness affects their working ability. Animals जो फार्मिंग के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं उन्हें भी क्या करना चाहिए, उनकी हेल्थ का भी हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए, बिकॉज जैसे हम बीमार होते हैं हमें तकलीफ़ होती है, इन द सेम वे देयर वर्किंग efficiency is also affected. Then come to page number 164. See this paragraph. Some people cattle breed. For some people, cattle breeding is a profession. For example, cattle are reared for milk and other products, and this is called dairy profession. Dairy का जो प्रोफेशन होता है उसमें कैटल ब्रीडिंग, काउस की मिल्क को बेचा जाता है. सो पीपल हु breed horses use them in many ways: tonga driving, participation in race, to make horses available for sports, and to form chariots which are used in wedding procession. Many different types of animals are breeded. Cattle breeding बोला जाता है. For example, horses का दिया है. Then cows are also cattle breeded. Isn't it so? There are different types of animals which are used as business purpose. Okay, this was the chapter. Here the chapter is over. Okay, we will do the next chapter in the next video. Thank you and have a good day, children.